How to use ClickUp Enterprise Workspaces properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. ClickUp Enterprise is a powerful platform for managing complex projects and team workflows, but most beginners make mistakes that cost productivity and create confusion. The surprising truth is, it's not the tool that fails, it's how it's used. One common mistake is not organizing workspaces and spaces properly. Beginners often dump all projects into one workspace without clear categories. This leads to cluttered task lists and frustrated team members. For example, separating marketing, product, and operations into dedicated spaces with folders for specific campaigns or projects keeps everything structured and easy to navigate. Another costly mistake is unusing templates and automation. ClickUp offers templates for tasks, lists, and workflows, as well as automation to assign tasks, update statuses, and send notifications. Beginners often create everything from scratch, which wastes hours of repetitive work. Using pre-built templates and automation ensures consistency and saves significant time. Task management is frequently mismanaged. Many users fail to set priorities, due dates, or dependencies. Without these, teams miss deadlines or duplicate work. ClickUp's dependencies and priority settings are designed to prevent bottlenecks. For instance, a design task dependent on content approval should not start until the content is ready, keeping the workflow seamless. Integration mistakes are also common. ClickUp connects with Slack, Google Drive, and other tools. Beginners often skip integration, losing the advantage of centralized communication and file management. Proper integrations streamline collaboration and reduce the risk of information falling through the cracks. Finally, reporting and dashboards are often overlooked. ClickUp offers real-time dashboards to monitor progress, workload, and project health. Beginners who ignore these insights can't identify delays or inefficiencies until it's too late. Regularly reviewing dashboards allows teams to make informed decisions and optimize performance. To use ClickUp Enterprise Workspaces effectively, organize spaces logically, leverage templates and automation, manage tasks with priorities and dependencies, integrate essential tools, and actively monitor dashboards. Avoiding these beginner mistakes transforms ClickUp from a simple task manager into a powerhouse for team productivity and project success.